Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English. Cat. A small animal with soft fur, 4 legs, a tail, and claws, usually kept as a pet. Fur. 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 Legs. 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 Tail. Tail. Claws. 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 Repeat. Cat. Cat. Usage examples. Cat. The cat is black. My cat has long hair. She lives alone with her cat. She is feeding the cat. He is petting the cat. She let the cat in. He gave the cat a bath. She is training the cat to use the litter box. I took my cat to the vet. He found a cat in the alley. She adopted a stray cat. He bought a cat tree. She brushed the cat. I'm allergic to cat hair. She found a cat hair on her sweater. The cat is sunbathing on the windowsill. The cat is hiding under the bed. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The cat was sitting on her lap while she watched TV. The cat is purring loudly. The cat is licking its paws. The cat was meowing in front of its empty food bowl. The cat scratched me. The cat scratched the furniture. My cat likes to play with yarn. The cat is playing with a ball. The cat climbed up the tree. The cat jumped over the fence. The cat landed on its feet. The cat is hunting a mouse. Do you prefer cats or dogs, and why? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.